The Danish government has approved the construction of 5 Arctic patrol vessels to enhance the kingdom's surveillance capabilities around its territory of Greenland. The latest news, which emerged in early February, is that these 5 ships will be manufactured across multiple production sites in Denmark and assembled in Frederikshavn, North Jutland. According to the website Tender News International, the assembly facility will be owned by the Danish state and will support the construction of larger vessels in the future. So, let's look more closely at this plan for today's video. Well, it's obviously still very early days for this naval program, and we will no doubt have more information on potential designs and design specifics in the future. Nonetheless, this construction strategy appears to be the result of a Deloitte review that identified a distributed production model as the most cost-effective option while expanding domestic industrial participation. The new ships are said to have a targeted entry into service deadline of 2030 and will replace the Navy's aging Thetis and Knud Rasmussen class vessels said to be experiencing repeated mechanical failures, issues that have apparently undermined Arctic surveillance and search and rescue coverage. Denmark's Minister of Defense, Troels Lund Poulsen, was quoted as saying, "With the decision on a construction strategy where we bring several Danish production facilities into play, as well as an assembly facility in Frederikshavn, we ensure that Denmark's position in shipbuilding is strengthened, just as we strengthen Denmark's security of supply in the long term." When it comes to manufacturing, we still don't have a decision on the shipbuilder, at least not at the time of making this video. However, the Danish Broadcasting Corporation reported that a leading possibility is a consortium led by Danske Flådeskibe, a group made up of the companies Therme, Odense Maritime Technology, Pension Denmark, and Semco Maritime. The consortium previously received 490 million Danish kroner, about 66 million euro, from Danish Defence to develop patrol ships for the Danish Navy, a design that was later adapted for Arctic operations. Per a March 2025 press release by Danske Flådeskibe, CEO Hans Schneider was quoted as saying, "Danish production of powerful ships for the Navy is the fastest way to deliver capacity and secure supplies to the armed forces for the many years to come. With Semco Maritime as part of Danske Flådeskibe, we can deliver the entire package to the Danish armed forces when it comes to both state-of-the-art frigates and Arctic ships, from design, outfitting and launching to servicing the finished ships, all with maximum use of Danish expertise and full control over production capacity. We want and need to involve Danish industry in delivering this important national task. We expect to deliver the first ship to the Navy as early as 2029. So, what do you think of this big undertaking? Is it long overdue? Let us know what you think by leaving a comment.